All right, so we've got to practice here. I think this is a fun one because this is true too. All right, so at 10 p.m. one winter night, the temperature was negative 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, well, we can think of it as Fahrenheit, but this is Celsius, so this is what the temperature they read in other countries typically. So negative 10 degrees Celsius. At midnight, the temperature was negative 18 degrees Celsius. So we're going to use less than, greater than, or equal to compare the temperatures and explain their relationship. So we're going to first of all plot the approximate or the about locations of each number on the number line below. So when we take a look here, negative 18, so about, so let's see, with our number lines, so we have 0, in between 0 and 20, we're going to have 10, and then negative 10. In between 10, we're going to have 0, 5, 10, 15. So we're going up by 5s, and we're going down by 5s. All right, so now we are going to be doing the approximate. That means about. So approximate means about, so it's not going to be correctly perfect. It might not be perfect, it might be. So negative 10 degrees Celsius, that's right here. That is perfectly on the line. Then we have negative 18. So negative 18 degrees Celsius is going to be somewhat in between here. So we have negative 18 degrees, and then we have negative 10 degrees. So what we need to do is we need to compare them. Now, you can put the numbers in any order you want. I'm just going to put them in negative 18, and then I'm going to put negative 10 just because I see them like that. And then closest to 0 here, negative 10 is going to be greater than. So as you keep going up, this side is going to be greater than. So the big mouth is going to eat that big number. So we are going to have the smaller part point to the negative 18, as the bigger mouth is going to eat that negative 10, because I'd rather it be negative 10 degrees than negative 18 degrees. That's way too cold. Even negative 10 degrees is way too cold, but I'd rather that than more degrees below 0. So that's going to be it for our practice. Great job.